Yo, what's up? Smoothie Cast. Health Made Easy tip of the day. Today, just worked out. 2 eggs and rice. Boom. Done. Now we're gonna make a smoothie and add that to go with the eggs and rice. We're gonna get banana. Yeah, let's open this guy. What are we gonna do? Let's just go. Let's go. Today's smoothie is simple. Look at this. Simple smoothie: mango, papaya, strawberries, pineapple. Get it from Costco. Wawona. Thank you, Wawona. Boom. We're out. And here we go. Let's make a smoothie. Health is easy. Honestly, look. That. Banana. Give it a little water. Some filtered water from Aqua True. Right there. Boom. Open this up. A little nutrient-dense smoothie. Good carbs. Healthy fructose going in there. Healthy natural sugars. And you still get the fiber. I mean, the blender blended some of the fibers, but all in all, fibers are still in there. Let's finish this smoothie. Of course, using the Vitamix. Boom. It's all about quality. All about the quality. Actually, we're gonna add a little more water. 1 banana. Wee woo. We're gonna do a little almond milk. I always like a little cream in there, kind of ish. I believe this is tip number 6, possibly. I don't know, but it's the next one of the day. And we blend. This is Health Made Easy. Uh-oh, we're stuck. So when it's stuck, you can either add more water or more liquid. There we go. Work with me here. Work with me. Doesn't want to blend. Technical. Freaking difficult. Like, fuck off. This is the only thing that gets frustrating when it comes to smoothies. You just want it to blend. Trying to make short 5-minute videos. Boom! And this is your smoothie cast of the day. Tropical.